Hello, good evening, my people. Good evening, brothers and sisters. And good evening, everyone. Anywhere on a day for the world, my Edo people, the people of Great Igodomingodo, the people of Great Benin Kingdom, my people, Inika ora tokbe oba tokbe, Ewonikere gave tokbe, Wadomo domo, Wabiwa o. Thank you all. God bless you. Yeah, I just get some matter when I carry come here. I beg, more na invite my people. More na listening to small word, small advice when I want pass to my people. Just because of this nonsense Biafra. You get one day when I deal with Igbo man. Na life story I want to tell you so. As I deal with the Igbo man, he dey talk say Igbo people they better pass Yoruba. Say so they ask me now say if we want follow, whether we go follow the Igbos or we go follow the Yorubas. You understand? Based on some people, Benin people when we gather there, some can conclude they say they will follow Igbo people. But I know say none of us will not get sense, none of us will not be wise. For that full Nigeria as a whole, for that full Nigeria, as that our Nigeria big rich, the racist people when did that country, the racist people, the real racist people for that country, na Igbo people. If Benin man they do video or Benin woman they do video, they talk about Benin or they talk about Bende, United Bende. Igbo people go come out, they go they sort the person when they talk. If our Oba talk, they go throw mat, they go throw give am. If anybody come out for Benin, they do anything, maybe they do better live video, they go come out, then go they insult everyone. Igbo people na they do am. And then they talk say, then they fight for their freedom. And then they tell us now say they better pass Yoruba. And then now they tell us say they better pass us. And we the Edos, we the debtors, we go shut up, we go they look them. We go they sell our pride for them for free. Anytime, if you be Benin person, the Edo person, or you be data person, just try they do video. You'll see Igbo people, they go come out, they go attack you, they go hijack you. They not go even want make that video may get heard. You understand? But if then they do video, nobody go hijack them, nobody go insult them. Then go they say one Nebrafa. Then go they say other people not good. So why I did pass this video, why I did talk about this video now? Say may we grow, may we use our sense, may we not let their mentality change our mentality. Because those people, for example, our Edo people, they use mistake join Igbo people, then go regret at last. Then go regret at last. Now my brother, they always they pass advice through this medium. Monday, Asoro. So now my twins brother, now me be Friday, Asoro. The one when they Nigeria for his side. So why I they talk this thing? It don't reach time when we the Edo people, when we will take love ourselves, when we will take like ourselves, when we go to show ourselves love, when we will take stop to the kill ourselves, when we will take sit down, we will think say why people they talk say we not good, when they talk say now only them good. It don't reach the time when we will take realize our mistake, when we will take come back, withdraw back from bad things when we they do. It don't reach the time when we will tell let them know say Edo is a kingdom, not a village. Edo na kingdom, not be say na state. Edo na kingdom, not be waiting children go take the play. Not be waiting children take the rub mat. It don't reach the time we will take let Igbo. Now, mostly Igbo they do am. My brother, anybody, God can bless anybody. Igbo say they be Biafra. Then the Edo people and the Delta people, they say they be Bende. So Igbo no people not get right to take go media there. Go they comment the insult person. Go they comment the curse person. But because if they continue like this, we know we when they be so we know we will spare them because they go pack their things, they go back to Igbo land, go they do their fake business. Because time don't reach, we will take say enough is enough. I know say the biggest problem now those Edo people when they enter social media, they cause our Oba, the trauma they give us. The trauma they give Benin. I know say now those people be the biggest mistake when we get for Nigeria. But I still believe say one day they go realize their mistake. They see be our children no matter what. Now it make we Benin they talk and say Obonaya Gboyoma. Aya see ekegbe. But not be the one when Igbo people then go come begin they insult us. They curse us. They say different type of words. They talk different type of nonsense they give us. If they see our Edo brothers, when they do good things for media, when they talk better things for media, they go come out, they go they insult them. And with the Edos, go they even dey for the live video, we go they comment. We no fit challenge the person. My Edo, not be so. Owe Obonaya Gboyoma, Aya si ekegbe. No matter what. No matter anything for this life, if Benin person do you something, forgive and forget. No matter what he do you, stand for him, be for him, because na still your own. A woman, na meroji. May we love ourselves. May we they like our thing. May other people for they like us. May other people for they dread us. May other people for they respect us. If we not respect ourselves, who go respect us? Even our mother's land, we not even get respect to them. The king when come from our place, we not get respect for them. Tomorrow we go they come out they proud say we be Bini, we do makin, we say. When it be say rain they fall for your place and you go fit stop the rain, you not fit stop the rain. My brother, one voice, only one word when you will talk. It get where you go see air preach. Who no hear go see use through you take hear. Who no know go see use through you take know. It go say enough is enough. It don't reach the time we will say enough is enough. For those people when they insult Benin, for those people when they insult Edo State, those Igbo people when they insult Edo State, when they insult Delta State, when they insult Bende, it don't reach the time we will let them know say enough is enough. It don't reach the time we will take they remove teeth for their teeth for their mouth, because time no dey, time wait for nobody. I no fit dey say make person just come dey insult my mama, even though I no fit do anything. As my hand reach, I go throw reach. I beg my brothers and sisters, my Edos, my Delta, the Midwest people, I beg, may we stand up, may we stand on our feet, may we stand gidigba, may we say enough is enough, may we say it don't reach, may we say we don't need no more, may we let them know say time don't reach, when don't they stop that nonsense, when they talk they give Benin, when they talk they give Edo State, Asian people, Benin people, Ijo, Afenwa, Delta, Urobo, Isoko, abeg, may we stand up, may we say enough is enough. Enough is enough for those people when they trauma they give data and Edo. This Biafra, whether not Biafra or Brafa, my brother, anybody can fight for a freedom. If they fight for their freedom, nobody don't come and go insult them. You leave them, do talk with you, they talk. If you not feel comment, you go shut up. If you not get what you want talk, you go shut up. Not be say you will say a dope person or data person, they talk something. You go enter media, begin the insult them. If na so, na be so, una no fit get Biafra, because una be raised, una don't start to do raises through website, through phone, through Facebook, through audio medium. Una don't start to do raises. If una just can't get Biafra, okay? So now be say na raises, una will take kill everybody when you join una. Now it make Imo people, now it make them not join una. Because of this, it don't reach time when una take get sense. E don reach time when una take know una self. E don reach time when una take wise. E don reach time when una take get sense. Biafra, me dey use this medium dey pass advice dey give una now because of wetin I see today. E get one sister wey dey do live video today. I see the way when one Igbo man when he say in a Biafra, the way when he take throw mouth give am, is that one a rat nonsense. That one a big nonsense. That one a rubbish. That one I don't know wetin I wan call am. That one a racist word. Maybe which I know say the person maybe he never comot for Igbo before. Na Igbo there just dey. He never go Benin before. He never go between Nigeria there. So ama we wan go outside country. So maybe in mentality never wise. But if una start like that, una di Kanu, no be even better person. E no reach the shoe when our Oba of Benin dey wear. E no reach the shoe when Urobo people dey wear. So why Igbo people go just come median, begin dey insult Edo people, begin dey insult Delta people? Why? Edo people, una see Igbo people go dey do live video. All of una comot go stay for line. Una dey view them. But una see Edo people, they fight for freedom for una. They talk how una take unite, how una take love una self, how una take like una self. Una no wash. Only wetin una do, una laugh, una comot. Una say this one not serious, and una say now una serious. So una when serious, so why it be say una no dey fit dey challenge people when they curse una ancestors, when they insult una ancestors, when they say una no be better person. Listen, Benin people they speak one parable. They'll say Odawa Hole. Una no know what it mean. Mostly una when they diaspora. Una no know what it mean, because if una know what it mean, una know say Odao Hole. It means say anything when you do, na front, na for the wait for you. It means say if you say the thing not go affect you, if it affect your pikin, because for this life when we did so, it not get the way, even though say na Europe or America, na it can good pass. It not get the way when you or your children of it can do us. Una see what they do to that guy for America when they kill him for nothing. Now very soon it go be for like that for Europe. They go begin they keep black. That time una come the fight so now they come us. And Owama mama but ask una no fit fight for. Ask una no fit stand for. Ask una they want make people when they there they kill themselves. Una no fit unite for. Una no fit preach the word of love for. Say make them love themselves. Make them love themselves. Make them love their neighbor. Make them love their brothers. Make them love their friends. Una say na there una want come. My brother, that time it go hard. It go hard. It go hard. Now the time when we will take show ourselves love. When we will take show ourselves love. When we will take come out. When we will take preach love. Give our brothers, our sisters. When they Africa. When they Europe. When they America. When they Canada. When they Asia. When they all over the world. Now the time when we will fit take preach love. Give them. This media when come out so they don't say me we take the preach love, give ourselves. Me we take the talk better word, give ourselves. Not be me we take the share fake thing, or me we take the sort our family, or me we take the sort our image, or me we take the fight, or me we come the video nonsense, or me we come go there go the naked as our Edo people and Delta people they do. Now those people now they make Igbo people, they throw mat, they give Edo. There they say Yoruba no good. But fear never let them go median once, go insult Yoruba, because it's Yoruba people, they love themselves past Benin people. Benin people not love themselves. Igbo people know, now it make them want, make them divide the Edo's people, make them divide us. You see some of our sister now, they don't join Biafra. They'll say one a Biafra, one a Biafra. And they not be Biafra. Because now what the Igbo people want, may they do to Edo people like that. They want just scatter Edo. They don't want me Edo exist. Even self not be only Igbo people, including the outside, the Fulanis. If you see the Edo and Delta, now Fulani they come they always the key, they destroy, they make different type of nonsense. The Edo and Delta now they always they happen. If you see look at the Edo and Delta, now Igbo people they always they throw mad give. Why we not love ourselves? Brothers and sisters, tomorrow those one go say some go say they be here, the other one go say na ye, the other one go say na mafia, the other one go say na robaga, the other one go say na juris, the other one go say na this one, the other one go say na this one. Una they kill una self. It don't reach time when una take get sense. Whether you be here, you be aye, you be mafia, you be a robaga, you be juris, you be vakis, you be DM, anything when you like me, you be to hell with you. You don't reach the time when una take change. It don't love. It don't reach the time when una take talk say enough is enough. It don't reach the time when una take realize una mistake, because una dey make a very big mistake when una take dey kill una self, when una take dey destroy una self, when una take dey fight una self. Because if una don kill una self finish, those people when they come, those Igbo people when they come, when they talk say one name, you are rugged, that boy na so thing, he don fuck up, mo go kill am, and he no come from the state, he go persuade you to go kill your fellow brother, he go persuade you to go kill your fellow sister, he go persuade you to rape your brother, to rape your sister, to do your brother different thing. So where we know yours get sense, may we know say yes, those people they kill us, they set us up, may we take the kill ourselves. All those nonsense when they happen for Nigeria, so when they say Edo people they kill themselves, if we say may we rinse it down, check am, not be Edo people they do this nonsense. So then other people they come, e go use e brother name wey dey that area, say because of color, e go take and come take do nonsense for the area. Where we no stand, see, no forget preaching of say let's assume, because maybe now the reason now say I dey find viewers for my Bende Republic, no to her for that. Now me I carry that one aside, me I let una know something, more una show una self love. No be say more una dey kill una self. Why una dey kill una self? Wetin you dey gain if you kill your fellow brother? Wetin you dey gain if you kill your brother because of color? Color no be anything. Color na just normal color. E just be like color paint. That cap una dey call beret, this so na normal color. E don reach the time when una take get sense. E don reach the time when una take wise. Abeg, make una share this video. Make una hear. May we not get sense. Because I not sure say Edo people, many of them go get sense. It don't reach the time when we will take stand. May we tell those Biafras when they insult Edo, when they insult Delta, when we will tell them say, may they stop that nonsense, or less then go see what they find. The strength when we take the kill ourselves, may we take and fight government, may we take and fight those people when want spoil our image, those people when they trauma give us. The strength we will take carry gun, go kill our fellow brother because of black beret, because of blue beret, because of red beret, because of any color to hell with beret, any color of beret. The time when we take the fight ourselves, when we take they do those things to ourselves, why we not just take and unite ourselves? May we take show ourselves love. May we say no to crime. May we say no to crime, no to rapists, no to killing, no to racists. Edo people be not they do resist, but the biggest resist when Edo people can't get now, and data, the biggest resist when they get now it be that killing where they kill themselves. Now it be that killing where they kill themselves. May the photo say you rugged. You feel just buy one battle ass, you say you are rugged. You feel see knife carry come out for your mama kitchen, you say you are rugged. My guy, ruggedity na money. If you not get money, you not rugged. Ruggedity na money. Go make money. Forget Curtis. Go make money. Leave Curtis. If person tell you about Curtis, tell am say may go make money. Tell am say Curtis not dey exist again. Even though he say they just fuck your brother up, let am know say my guy fuck up. Wetin be fuck up? Devil fuck God up. Devil fuck God up. God not kill am. Na God drive am. If you go school, go read Black Bible. Not read all those fake Bible when those fake pastor they read, they give una, they preach, they give una. All those fake things. Go download, but it dey cost na money you fit take download and Black Bible. May you go pass through Black Bible. May you go read Black Bible. May you know as this word take start. Not be when you just carry gun, you go kill your fellow brother. You dey happy, you say you are rugged. You not rugged oh. You not rugged, my brother oh. Na money be fine bobo. Na money be ruggedity. If you not get money, you not rugged. My brother, as I dey now, I fit tell you say I rugged because owo dey, money dey. But if you not get money, you talk say you rugged. Now be say you not know yourself. You not get money, you can't talk say you rugged. Now me say you not where. Because God mean anything no happen. You not even fit get money to defend yourself. And you dey talk now say you rugged. You carry because you your feel gone. Then you go buy bullet 250 naira cartridge. Then you come dey tell me say you rugged. You not rugged though. You not rugged. Go make money. As e-money be now, e-money rugged. E-money na one of the rugged people for Nigeria there. Because he get money, he no dey suffer. Ruggedity na money. Ruggedity na money. Make money. If you make money, people go clap for you. Not be say you go dey kill your brother, you say you rugged. You go kill your sister, you say you rugged. You just fit buy one cartridge, you say you rugged because of blue beret or black beret or red beret or brown beret or green beret or purple beret or white beret. Then you can't say you rugged. You are not rugged. You just dey foolish. That one not be ruggedity. That one is foolishness. You kill your fellow brother, you dey happy, you say you rugged. Na foolishness. Na foolishness. Because that your foolishness, where you know say na foolishness, go media, you see and say Igbo people, that they sort Edo people just because of una foolishness, because of what you call ruggedity, because of the killing one they kill una self, because of the wiseness one not wise, one they think so una wise, and una they talk say na una get sense pass, una they talk say Edo people not they carry last, and una don't they carry last, una they kill una self, you they carry last. You kill your fellow brother, you don't carry last. Because that strength when you take care of your fellow brother, so now last you carry. I beg my brothers and sisters, my Edo people, my Delta people, may we get sense, may we wise, may we forget about those color. Election don't see rich ground now. I know now some don't they pump because of 2-5. You want go thief ballot box. You want go shoot gun where they carry, where they do election. Because of election, because of 2-5 when they want give you. You they sell your future. You they sell your lineage. They give them. You understand me? So I beg my brothers, my sisters, my family, my bended people, may we come together. May we unite. May we show ourselves love. If your brother do you something, forgive and forget. No dey talk say fuck up, no dey sour. Nothing when not dey expire. Now only Nigeria I know say egg not dey expire. But for Europe, egg dey expire. So now there you know say nothing when not dey expire. So if person do you something, forgive and forget. If you say you no want forgive am, do am wetin he do you back, not kill am. I beg my Edo brothers, my Delta brothers, my Edo sisters, my Delta sisters, I beg, may we show ourselves love. Only me one not fit do all those things. Only me one not fit do all those things. Make una come out, una when dey Europe, when get free network, or when they subscribe. Una come out, una pass advice give una brothers, una sisters when dey Nigeria with us for years. So I beg, because this one don dey pass, be careful. Some brothers for here, for some brothers for this Edo state, they be like who dem cause. Some brothers for this Delta state, they be like who dem cause. If they break, they do gaga ruggedity. They know they plan as they want to make money, as they want to make them for life. The children, unborn children, when they never born, they know they plan future, they wait them. They no get anything for purpose. Say this thing so. We will plan down for our children. We plan down for our future. Wetin dem you know? They all fit buy Igbo, smoke Igbo, drink mama God they can. As they all drink mama God they can finish. He go come dey talk say, hey, where you are you not rugged? You don't know ruggedity is my identity. You go dey fuck up. That guy don't fuck up. I say I go dey talk anyhow. Mo just go play am. My guy, all those one not be life. Those one not be life. He suppose say if una get up if they break, you say, my guy, how much you don't make? That one will say don't make 10 million. The other one will say I don't make pass you. Mona they do competition of money. Mona no they do competition of na my color fine pass or what it be color. I beg, brothers and sisters. Now the time when we go fit take get sense be this. The time when we go fit take unite be this. May we preach love to our benders, our united bender, the Bender Republic, the Midwest people. Now the time when we will take show ourselves love be this. May we show ourselves love. This Bender Republic Radio. God bless you as you listen. See you other time.